I'm going to do 2 to 1. So here's one. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Join me for recipes, stories from the past, stories in the future, and some really good country cooking. Let's get ready for this recipe. Well, good morning. Thanks for being here on A Country Boy Can Cook. I really appreciate it. It's early. It's actually 4:15 a.m. I'm an early riser anyway. I check my hair's probably got bedhead and everything on it. I did wash my face. So I wanted to bring you back for, I guess they call it a coffee hack. It's something I've been doing a long time, but I switched it up the other day for my coffee, and I switched it up with Dr. Bill's. I'll show you what I did. I also got some pancakes here. I'll show you what's going on there. Let me get my coffee poured. It just got through perking. So what I've been doing for years is taking Eagle brand milk and put it into my hot coffee or cold coffee. First time I heard about this recipe was a couple of my buddies had come back from Nam. They were a few years older than me. I think I was still in high school, and they were telling me about this drink that, you know, they'd go into town, just have coffee, and that's the only reason I was going into town. And they drink this coffee that was sweetened with sweetened condensed milk. So through the years, I've tried that, and it's great. I know a lot of people drink these, I'm trying to think what they, you know, the creamers and all that, which are great. But this Eagle brand is pretty inexpensive. I use Walmart brand sweetened condensed milk. It's inexpensive, and it tastes really good. But I decided to take it to the next level by adding Dr. Bill's, cane and maple syrup. I thought, wonder if you could add that, what would it taste like? So I did a little research, and there is a topping that is made from maple syrup and butter. You melt it down together, and you put a bunch of powdered sugar in it, a bunch. And it makes this thick glaze that you can put on all kinds of things. So I knew I was kind of on the right track. But I didn't want to go, I'm lazy, I didn't want to go to all that trouble of cooking and all that. And so let me show you what I did, how I got around that. And I tested it the other day, and I thought, I need to bring my friends this. If you are sweet coffee drinkers, either iced or hot, you'll like this. It kind of has the flavor of what they call those macchiatos, and it's kind of got a caramel flavor to it. So let me show you how to mix it up. It's a real simple recipe. It's 2 Dr. Bill's cane and maple syrup and 1 Eagle brand. So you can do 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon. 2 cups, 1 cup. It's just 2 to 1. That's how I mixed it. Let me show you. I'm going to mix some and put it in my coffee. Dr. Bill's is really good syrup. It's out of New Orleans. Dr. Bill is a orthopedic surgeon. I'll get that out. It's early. And he makes a wonderful syrup product. There's no corn syrups, no preservatives, no added color, no added flavor, no added sodium. 100% vegan and gluten-free. So I'm going to do 2 to 1. So here's 1. There's 2, 3, 4. Because I want to make enough for my pancakes. Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm going to do a little bit more. I'm going to do 2 more. And I'll tell you why. 1. So that means I've got to put my Eagle brand single Bill's Beagle brand. Here's one. I'm gonna switch out spoons. Once I got more Eagle brand on it, I'll keep it and stir this up. And this is all room temperature. You can see it instantly looks like caramel. Maybe that's why I think it tasted like caramel macchiato or whatever that is. And I'm not sure, but I think if you cook this down, you could probably get it thicker and maybe frost a cake with it. I don't know. I might try that sometime. Get this out of the way. All right, I've got my coffee here. I'm gonna put 1 spoonful. That's what I did the other day. You can see the color is perfect. And I did this with iced coffee. I filled my glass full of ice, poured my coffee in, and cooled it down, and I think I did. It was a big glass. I put 2 spoonfuls. So it's just that simple. Dr. Bill's Eagle brand milk. And let's get a taste. It's my first coffee. Oh my goodness, that's good. It literally tastes like caramel. And I think there's ways you can. I've seen some recipes online about taking this Eagle brand milk. They put it in a microwave in a bowl of water and cook it. I don't know how it's done. I've never tried it because I figured it'd blow up. So, but it says they make caramel like that. So this is adding caramel to your coffee and not having to cook it and all that. So good. Oh my goodness, it's good. Oh goodness. Now, these pancakes need some help. Ain't nothing on them. There's no butter, no anything. But there's fixing to be. That sure does look good. Let's get a bite. That's crazy good. My goodness, that's great. You could probably add some chopped pecans to the syrup blend that you're putting on your pancakes. And this ain't only good for pancakes. Y'all could pour this stuff on a piece of toast. Biscuit would be wonderful. I don't have any biscuits right now. But I made these pancakes the other day. These are beer battered pancakes. I got a video out on it. And when we got through eating, we had about 10 left, and I just put sheets of wax paper between them and put them in the freezer. When we want one, just go in and pull it out and microwave it, and it's ready to go. So I don't mind if I do wash it down here. Oh, it's good. Well, guess what, boys and girls? We ain't through yet. This ain't the end of the video. But it is, well, let's see, what time is it now? It's 4:40. So I'm going to bring y'all back in a few hours, and we're going to add one more component to this wonderful syrup blend. See you in a few hours. Alright, I'm back with you. Let's get this video finished. Have you figured out the last thing to use that sauce on? I'll show you. Vanilla ice cream. It's, like I said, it kind of tastes like a caramel, and it's really good. If you had some pecans or walnuts, you could mix it in right now with this. And since this is a special dessert, I've even got a special spoon. My special spoon. I know you're used to seeing my old knives I've made and all that, but this dessert gets something special. So how does that look to you? Looks pretty good, right? Well, let's get a taste. Using Bluebell homemade vanilla. I've not had a bite of this, but I can tell you, my taste buds are going to say, you're not lying, it's going to be good. Oh my goodness, I'll have a milk mustache when I get through with this. It's so good. I got to go in for another bite, it's so good. Man, it's got such a wonderful flavor. It's hard to describe. Almost a caramel. If someone tasted it and they didn't know, they'd say, oh, that's a caramel topping. Well, I guess it kind of is. So I appreciate y'all being here on my video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, please. Please share my videos, subscribe, comment, and follow. You never know what the old dude might have today or tomorrow or the next day. Oh my goodness, it is so good. If you get a chance, make this recipe. It's easy, and I've tried it with other syrups beside Dr. Bill's. It just ain't the same. His order info will be in the description. Be sure and give him a try. It's great syrup. See you on the next video.